Yes, friends, I just let me just switch to another network. Let's see if this will be better. Yes, if you are still with me, just type yes, yes. Let's talk this morning. If you're still with me, just type yes. Just type yes. If you're still with me, type yes. Type yes if you're still with me. Yes, I can see some of my friends. Is this Ranomigo? I see Ranomigo Edegbe. Is that the Prozzy account? So, as I was saying, many persons have been calling. Albert wanted to run for social position. Come out as council chairman. Come out for House of Assembly. Come out for House of Rep. Come out for this, come out for that. I will be foolish, I will be greedy, and I will be stupid to follow that kind of call to say, let me go contest. Many I get followers online, they will support me. I will set up a fundraising committee. I have friends in Canada, I have friends in Germany, I have people in Europe. They will bring money come for me. Without having my own savings, my own investment that I'm going to inject in. If you are not spending your personal money in politics, you will be unserious like Ranomigo, you will be unserious like Showore, you will be unserious like other so-called governorship and presidential candidates. But if you are investing your money, if you are spending your money, you will know what it means to run for an election. I know if I choose to contest tomorrow, I have people that will support me. But some will wait to say, maybe we see where about one reach first before we throw in our money. So you must show that resource, you must show that seriousness, you must show that you are ready to lead. You must show that you have what it takes to lead a country of over 200 million people. I told myself, people like Ranomigo, they spend hours online. See, Messiah, oh God, God says, See, Amalaye school, and you are not even striving to be educated. That problem that you did in life. Problem. That's why anybody can easily just call and go, It was brainwashed. And Amigo was brainwashed into king, into Omoyele's campaign. Without even asking questions. Many people call me, how about you are a very transparent person, you are a sincere person, we love the way you talk, please want you to come and join AAC, we will even make you the state coordinator, you will be more, I believe you will be better in AAC, we will take care of you, I'm going to be just Corolla governor give you, we will do this one. Many people called me, including Ranomigo. I told them, I said I don't have any problem with AAC because most of these AAC supporters, they are not fighting Mr. Governor Obaseki. So I don't have any problem with Showore, but I don't see Showore winning. Why are we pumping money? Why are we spending millions of naira? People, some will say 50 euro, some will say 100 euro, some will say 200 euro. Most of these people, they don't even know if their parents have eaten just to support a project that will never work. In Atatae, many other guys called, and I wouldn't want to mention their names. I told them, I said, this guy will not fly. Nigeria is too big for somebody to just wake up and rely on Facebook live video to win an election. He tried. I saw some votes in my ward, in my sector. He tried, but we expected more than that. Now Ranomigo can't wake up, one exposure. What have you been doing? When you notice fraud, you report immediately. You blow the whistle immediately. Don't wait for things to go bad first before you now say, I hate corruption. You are the most corrupt person as far as Facebook live video is concerned. Oh damn it, where so why you run where your monkey brain, your small brain, they are deceived. You see the way you are disgracing Omoyele Showore. You are not disgracing Showore, you are disgracing yourself. You are only showing to people the stuff you are made of. You are only showing the people the real you, that you are not a man. That nobody in his right senses should trust you or even confide in you. You are not destroying Sowore, you are only destroying yourself. You are destroying yourself. There is no transparent person that is 100% correct in this life. If me tomorrow want run for election, I will not be 100% honest to you. That is the human nature. You can't take it from anybody. There are some things I want to say, let's do it this way, we'll get result. But if we let the people know, they might frown at it, but we'll get result. That's the way it is. If you say Sowore chop money, Sowore na fraud, Sowore set up cabal, now Yoruba they chop the money, now this is that. Listen to me. Don't blame Sowore for surrounding himself with Yoruba people. You can't blame him. These are people that believe in him. These are people that trust him. These are people that have worked with him. If I want to run tomorrow and I make a Benin man my DG, not because the Benin man is politically sound or because is politically popular, maybe because he's somebody that can utilize my resources very well. He's somebody that can manage people. He's somebody that can manage crisis. He's somebody that can manage situation when I'm not there. So it's not now that you come and tell us that he's surrounding himself with Yorubas. For almost 1 year that you campaign for this guy, that you deceive people to support this guy, that you raise money for this guy. Why did you tell us that he's surrounding himself with Yorubas? And that he has over 20 platforms. And the one where they choose to put you, that they put you. See, we don't want to hear now. Let your brainwashed idiots now they communicate to. We don't want to hear whatever dealings that you had with Omoyele Sowore. We don't want to hear how much Omoyele Sowore chop. We don't want to hear how many cabal. We don't want to hear Dotun. We don't want to hear Macom. We don't want to hear anything. Just face your life. Just face your life. We don't want to hear all those rubbish. This one, that one, the other one, this one. You are not anybody that believes in Amigo is in trouble. Is in trouble. Once you don't believe in Amigo, you yourself you are mentally sick. Is there anybody that Amigo has not blackmailed? Is there anybody in this life, from Oshomole to Captain Osa to Obaseki to my humble self to Kabaka to Uyo Sunde? There is no to Jenosege. To Omorige, there is nobody, Monica, there is nobody online that Amigo has not blackmailed. There is nobody online that Amigo has not insulted. Amigo will tell me, I'll tell you what, man. I'll tell you, I'll tell you, there is nothing. I mean, no matter Captain say, I mean, this is an Amigo that traveled to Italy, that went to Italy to frame Kabaka up, and I arrested Kabaka, and I seized a passport, and I embarrassed her just because of hatred. Amigo is a disaster to the Benin race. Amigo is a disaster. Me, I'm not here to say that Amigo Sowore Tifo, Sowore not Tifo. Sowore is just a smart man. Sowore made money from his campaign. He made money because we are foolish. Now why he make money? Like me, I did not donate. I didn't attack him. I did not donate because I know say he's not gonna win. He only succeeded in winning his own unit. With all the millions of naira, all the money where they mop all over the world, he only succeeded in winning his just unit, his unit. And what you have here? And what about so please, we have different governorship candidates up and down online. See, they want your money. Me, I will fit print poster. Me, I can afford to rent a campaign secretariat. I can also come out to say I want to be this, I want to be that, just to collect your money. And Amigo has not told us his source of income. You only here with campaign. Now you want to be governor. Do you know how much it costs to hire buses first? More never go buses. To print banners when you go put for strategic locations across the 18 local government, across the 192 wards. Do you know what it takes to be a governor? Isn't that just their Facebook they rant? We have jobless women, jobless men that are in Europe that just watch you just because they want to relax. Just where again and go over carry. No, all those views that you are saying, they are not your supporters. They just catch fun. There are some comedy skits you watch online. You see 1 million views. over 2 million views. It's not like those people, they are watching those guys because of those guys. They just want to get entertained. So people just follow you because they want just laugh when they go sleep because you are a comedian. So my friend Ralomigo, this your Market Square, this one where they dance naked. It's not funny. It's not funny. If you think you're fooling Sowore, you're not fooling Sowore, you're not fooling AAC. You're not trying to bring down AAC. You're only bringing down yourself. Mega I know the now with Ralomigo, no. No, before now you will not get issue. I know they talk to you. I'm not getting interested in whether you be governor or you not be governor. Because if I'm not serious, governorship candidates or aspirant when serious, will they know them? The ones who just come out to collect money, we still know them. So you get among the ones who want waste gullible and senseless people money. If I never near you go, oh we are not wasting I go. But when I watched your video yesterday, yeah, I tell you, Ayoko you man never, we walk your home. No matter what, I can we have a reservation. Yahweh, uwe geye so uwe mine. Uwe mine every yata. Edo not away every yata. Edo makon. So, Omoyele Sowore, I want you to call me. Me and you, we get our own for body. Call me. If you have my phone number, call me. If you don't have my phone number, look for my phone number. Because Ralomigo made some very, very grievous allegations against you yesterday, which I'm not comfortable with. It's many people are really feeling disappointed. But the Ralomigo we know is a liar. It's a serial liar. It's a serial blackmailer. I don't believe him, but I want both of us to talk. I don't believe Ralomigo. So please, just for Ralomigo single what Ralomigo did yesterday really made me to like, let me talk to him this morning. Ralomigo, you're very, very wrong. You're wrong, no matter what. Mudiao, they target your ticket in the way. I wish I would just pronounce you to say mega, because of your loyalty to AAC, because of the amount of million, because of the millions of naira you raise, you use your platform to raise for my presidential ambition, because of your loyalty to me and to the party. I pronounce you unopposed to go and run for governor in your state. I'm already ticket in the way, or see where you were going, or see talent now, or see Onyaga. Or see Onyaga, you were going, I wait that you pronounce you. They have told you to go and run, that there will be primaries, because right now we have Uyo Sunday, we have you, we have one other person. Election is next year. Election is next year. I believe before next year's election, AAC governorship candidate they will reach 50 because now serious party and they also have lots of unserious candidates masquerade themselves as governorship candidates. So you guys are all out for the Benjamin, for the money. You guys have no agenda. Don't the yet to make noise. You guys have nothing to offer the good people of Edo State. So Ralomigo, they target a ticket in a way or a way. Maybe your more election will come and say no primaries in Edo State. We are all going to come out and support Mega. We are all going to come out and support Ralomigo. No primaries. Uyosude, go and sit down. This one, go and sit down. Everybody collapse on Shosho. Go and support Ralomigo. You will come out and tell us how Sowore dupe you guys. Who are Malada? Do I Facebook? Oh, when away, I'm not here where Azagewia, and that is not good for you. Who are Munia Doria? Very funny. And look at me, I go over to apologize to Sowore. Maybe I will settle the oil. You come out tomorrow and say, please, I was misinformed. Just the way you did for Captain Osa. You are here to apologize to Captain Osa. Apology where you know Captain Osa. Captain Osa did back Sonic Bay. Who have video viral talk? With camera, here die. Who video viral talk? Well, Captain Osa is more than that apology. Maybe Tony Kabaka fear accept that kind of apology. Because we mwenye mani ya. We mwenye ya zegwe. 2 weeks ago, yeah, we got team courtist. Where about is a member of Eye. Eye na gbo. Don't gbo. 2 weeks ago, you just realize maybe 2 days after you did that, he gave me, he got the show, governor, now you are lying. I don't want to waste my people's money. You can't will not win. So see, you are only smart. Your smartness is for people that are also in the same level with you, not people like us. So, there is what we call consultation in politics. Consultation. You are supposed to be in Benin City now in Edo State, consulting, meeting with stakeholders, meeting with opinion leaders, meeting with different interest groups, meeting with traditional rulers, meeting with different people. Say, my name is Ranamigo Edegbe. I am aspiring. I have intention to run. That one is what you need to do with your personal money. It's too early for people to be doing fundraising. So if you are a governorship candidate on social media and you are doing fundraising, I'm coming for you. You need to stop taking advantage of people. Stop taking people for granted. Stop this nonsense. Come and run for councillor. I know many of you can afford running for councillor. Are you too big to be councillor? Are you too big to be local government chairman to represent the people at the grassroots level? You want to rule over a state of over 4 million people, and you can't boast of 10 people that you have supported in your life. In your own little way. UNESCO will donate school items, hospital equipment. What have you done? Even in your own Roligbe, show us one ball where you don't sick. Say in 2016, more sick a ball will not be able. How can you wake up and say you want to be governor? Who can win? Where can you WhatsApp? But then you are going to eat people's money. You are going to waste their money. Anyway, you are wasting my money. The show AAC, take it back. Waste my money. Ego ni bieka duwa ye gisia we ije la ya de ayewa ije otoni de na ya gbe foundation yo ije otoni de ni ya bi wa ya gbon ije otona ewo na la gume akoke at the end of the year ni make na ya doctor. You guys are using social media to take these people away from their family. Many of these people, they are online commenting, they don't call their parents again. Can the social media where many of these people social media is that they are following an amigo, they are following Zio, they are following me, they are following Stella, they are following this thing. So please, an amigo, this is not attack. I'm not here to attack you, but I'm just here to let you know when we are in and that's not the character of a leader. Here no matter what. Me, even when I was angry with my party during the primaries, no, I just said, I'm angry, blah, blah, blah. I still went to the street to support some of them. And you cannot hear. You cannot hear. So, what done in one of your show, you are insulting the Yorubas. My brother is uncalled for. In fact, you are demarketing yourself now. It's only cowards that will hail you. When my exposed the fraud for over 1 year. For over 1 year that you campaigned for Sowore, you did not tell the world that Sowore is a fraud. You did not tell the world how Sowore is duping people. You did not tell the world that Sowore is not transparent. It was when you were not denied tickets. Because it's very clear that you will not get the tickets in those states. That's why you are not saying Sowore A, Sowore B, Sowore this. You are fake. You are not genuine. Sowore is not perfect, just like I said earlier. Sowore cannot be perfect. If you give Sowore 100 million naira, he cannot spend 100 million naira. He's human. So at the beginning, you would have just exposed him to say, hey, please, you guys should stop donating. Hey, this guy is not genuine. He's not real. Please, don't give him money. For years, for months. Because with the hope of, if Sowore win, you don't win, they will also push you to go and stop people in Edo State. But when you now discover that you have a very strong opposition, somebody like Uyi Osunde, why are you threatening? You have more followers than Uyi Osunde. That one is undisputed. They only argue that one. You are more dedicated to AAC than Uyi Osunde. 100% correct. You have I believe you can raise money for yourself more than Uyi Osunde. 100% correct. But what is not correct is that you are not as educated as Uyi Osunde. You don't have that maturity like Uyi Osunde. You don't have the ability to manage issues, to manage people, to manage crisis like Uyi Osunde. 5, you don't have that credibility for anybody to vote for you. 6, you don't have a name. I doubt if you can even come to Edo, if you can even come to Benin, because I have a case against you. Even I no tie against my mother, myself, my people, all the names you call me a cultist. I have a case against you. Many people are waiting for you to say, please, DSS, SSS, police, see live video. This guy say I be so thing, may come prove am. But Uyi Osunde can easily pick up his passport and come to Benin tomorrow morning. He was on ground with Sowore during the campaign. I saw his pictures, I saw his videos. So these are the things that the ANC they are considering. Mega is a good guy. Mega can raise money for us. Mega is popular, but Mega is not sellable. Mega don't shit for different churches for Benin, don't shit for everywhere. So that's why they are not saying everybody go to primary, go to the field and test the popularity. Well, why? You say Omoyele Sowore must come out to pronounce, see with it. No, it's not like that. Don't blame Omoyele Sowore for being the national chairman of his party. That new party, who you say may make national chairman? Who will contest with him? He was the one that formed the party for the first election. He's supposed to be the presidential candidate. Next election, it's possible that we have other people that will contest with him. There will be primaries. There will not be a better structure. So please, Omoyele Sowore, don't spoil his name. Don't spoil his name because they don't want to give you ticket. You want to spoil it. No. You for don't expose the guy says. So all the way they do so, we don't want to hear. We don't have interest in all these things you are saying. Hey, Dotu, hey, this one, you are mentioning, you are trying to try people, you are trying to rubbish the guy's name. See, let me tell you something. Omoyele Sowore, as we speak, is the most popular youth in Nigeria. As far as Nigerian politics is concerned, worldwide, even when he don't win, Naele used to get the bonnet to say, I want to contest. But the issue I have with him is that he would have spent his money, not collecting money from different people, from different jobless people. So, listen, amigo, we are not interested though, because now I know you are going to spend, now that you don't say you know if you be governor. Now you want to spoil AC, you want to spoil everything. See, this is democracy. Do your own, make the other person do your own. According to my leader, distinguished Senator Ozameyawe, Aguye campaign. Somewhere need government. Aguye campaign. 2 weeks ago, Amigo called me about Otwe Libya. You know what to say? Where FA? Now, yes, now I have one cousin in Libya. I have one cousin in Libya. Oh, he remember about where Mokoke, Omobelo, Nineti Omodan, Omobeneude. Omobeneude. I told him, I said, Omobeneude no. Omoni over 18 never abi 18 erobo. Imagine again Libya. I lost my own blood brother to this Libya waka in 2008. My own blood brother. That is why when they were doing this Libya returns, I was always campaigning. I was always doing these enlightenment videos. Don't go to Libya. Then when you come make my own family member when they watch my video, when know what I stand for, face Libya. The boy reached Libya, call me. I told him, I said, don't call this line again. Imagine Libya Adiowa. So all the other people give Munda over Libya and Loyare. So whatever business you have with the Fossa or Onyani, a tear for Sanirebo, if they want the Fossa to cross, they know what to do. They want the Fossa to come back home, they know what to do. If I gave I where Libya, I can't even pray for my enemy to go to Libya. So again, Libya wa doni wa eluwa wa just go with Libya ba even Libya this that you know what you are doing there and you know what you are gaining. So amigo, if you want to be governor, come and sell your agenda to us. Let us see your manifesto. Publish your CV. Let us see your qualification. Let's see what you have. Communicate to us. Don't come and lie to us. Don't come and deceive people. There was a time you had issues with Sowore. I saw Sowore travel to meet with you. You guys resolved that issue. Now, so please, we don't want to hear Sowore thief, Sowore do, Sowore dupe, Sowore. We don't want to hear. Go there, campaign for your Edegbe 2020. Face your life. Spend your money. Bring BB Jeep come. You know the way governorship people tell the campaign. Now they come here. They use convoy. And they hire mobile policemen when they follow them. They get campaign team when they place on salary. You must be 100% ready. Don't come and waste people's money because you want to be governor. So no fear. Any party where you want to go tomorrow, unless the party when you formed yesterday, you must still go primaries. If you don't go primaries, the party leaders will ask you to pay millions of naira. Go ask questions in case you don't know. You don't even know anything. They will tell you if you don't want us to go, if you don't want to go for primaries, give us 10 million. Because they know you will not win. You just want to use their platform. You just want to use their party to make a name or to use it to extract money from people. So, amigo, I'm not your fan. I'm not here to speak against you. I'm not here to speak in support of Sowore. I'm not here to speak against Sowore. Please, we are not interested in all those rubbish that you have spewed yesterday. You don't first spoil my name. You don't first spoil Kabaka name. You don't first spoil Kapi name. You don't first spoil Obaseki name. You don't first spoil Sowore name. You don't get anybody outside here. You don't get anybody where you never spoil the name. So we don't believe you. All this way they talk like we don't believe you because when they talk my own I say they watch your video say Jesus Christ this man they lie oh they are not so okay. So me you don't get this when you want to talk about Sowore I can never believe you. I no go fit believe you. Use your money. See if you are watching me now shebi Sowore collect money from una he lose election yet ask he not gonna say please all the people I collected money from please send your account details let me refund 20%. Because many people still send that money before and after the election to say please if you send me 100k send your account let me do a refund of 20,000 naira. He don't do it. He lose he not lose he spend all the money he not spend all the money he give some he not give some we don't know. So now the same thing you yourself what can he do now to say he did me to raise the money show rent your name me arrange the gbeme call. Yeah, well, now where I think we cancel when we have the way governor. Where I think we cancel. You know how much to print posters to share across the 192 wards. Your poster is supposed to be visible in all the streets. You know how many streets we get for Edo State? We know how many streets. Over 200,000 streets that we get. Over 200,000 streets that we get for Edo State. Over 200,000 streets that we get. Your leg will fit touch all those streets. Is it by all this propaganda that you people are doing? So please, if you are not serious, by the grace of God, Obaseki is going to contest for this state election. And we are going to have somebody from maybe PDP and maybe any other major political party. So anybody who you want support, before you send the person, tell the person may go house, may go consult. The person should first of all go to his community, his village. Go and see your Enogi. Enogi and talk about Domo, Meno, Bueno, Ewebo Kere, Meno, Mega Promenade, and Amigo no. It's only Swan is also position. Come home. Not sit down on that back of cotton for America with flag. They say you want to be governor. People don't give you money already. Please come home. We can have you one day. We can have you one day. They will have you with Kapi. Kapi domo. Kapi riba. I live here with comrade. You forgive me well, Babalao. Now we're online. You must say you went the way. What all? What you go at all? Babalao. Every year they are turning and missing for me, man. Ebui Kapi la wo. Ube bubi ade. Abato baze like all those when I talk na politics, you know say you dey cost me, person will still cost you. If they forgive you, way. So no be no stand for there they talk rubbish. They say people can support you. Any governorship candidate for online, all these jobless people for abroad, who not do the money. If I not get we want use the money. The money come here. When I come here, I go use the money go give one woman when they fry akara. Say madam, what should they tell the strike? I go say this thing 3,000 they use every day. If you get 50,000, the akara go say I go build this place now. I come to buy bread, I come to buy akamu, I come to buy milk. The place go boom. 50,000 send me 50,000. I'll put am for envelope. I'll drive go look for one person wey dey sell bole. Madam, this 50,000 wey dem wan give it and amigo wan go waste. Somebody say no one waste this money again. If you wan go give it and amigo make waste. But now you want use am take empower you. If you add 50,000 join this your business, e go improve. You must say you go give out the money. We will give out the money. We will fit help you do one. If the money too big, say you wan waste time, send us the money or call us say Abba go look for 3 people wey dey sell bole. I wan give the 30,000. I'll go look for them. You pay the money enter their account. I'll give you their phone number. They will call them. Let us use this money to help ourselves, not helping idiots. Not spending this money on a project that will never work. If I choose to run for any political office tomorrow, see, you all know say 50% of the money when I want to run for that office now from my pocket will come out. If I'm not ready, I said I'm not ready yet. I want to collect the election. I don't get my personal money. You do I care? I like it there. Yeah, we sign on there. Oh, we are not promising going to offset there. No. You better roll out with my own force. You better sit this up for this boy ready. I've had by my bosses. Fair inaugurate committee, fair go from ward to ward, from community to community. Fair them for will not do official flag up. When you see me seriously, you not say, this guy will win, me I go support. Not be from the scratch. Give me, send money, support. Who send you? I think everybody is foolish like you. So amigo, calm down. We are not interested. I know you come and fire me. Come, I will face you. I mean, on my road, governor, I will face you, amigo. Me, I go face you. I ready for you. Whatever business that you are doing with my brother in Libya, Nigeria can pick you up. Yeah, I will pick you up straight. Do like everyone. You go do like everyone. A business will let because I'm Libya. So whatever you are doing with him, why? I've told him, I said, stop disturbing me. When I not so that I care, then what's your why in Libya? A man with children, with wife. What are you doing there? So please, I don't go. I'm not listening to Amigo. If Showore want come out, can't tell Amigo, Showore no. If you come out, I'm not concerning about it. Amigo is a serial liar. He's a serial blackmailer. Nobody can trust him. And Amigo can say anything just to spoil somebody's image. I mean, no matter when put of us get issue. When he was a governor, he said governor buy houses everywhere. Governor this one, governor that one, governor buy house. Nothing when you don't use the man talk. Only for her to call governor pick. My governor, my governor, will you support me? I want to contest against you. He was so excited that Mr. Governor picked his call. He happy. He said governor pick his call. Say he talk to governor for phone. So please, I'm not ready for all these things this morning. But amigo, calm down. If you want to be governor, tell people that you want to be governor. Tell them what you want to do differently. Tell them the area you want to affect them. Tell them the area you want to bring changes. Don't be doing this online fight. Don't be doing this online blackmailing people, spoiling people's name. I've been following Sahara Reporters since 2001. After they buy their paper before online, before we can do Facebook, all those things. I've been following Omoele online Sahara Reporters since 2009. I they follow online. So if you get issue with Showore, go and sort it out. Don't come and start spoiling people's name. We are not interested. There's nobody that is 100% perfect, but don't spoil the little name that the young man has built. Don't spoil. If you do fraud money, nobody perfect. Even Atiku say not be all the donation wey Atiku get to spend. Now so they happen everywhere. So calm down. All those things that you are saying is rubbish. We are not interested. AAC. Oh. If you leave AAC in peace. Don't go there and be spoiling people's name. Thank you very much for listening to this broadcast. Share this broadcast. I want everyone to see this broadcast Showore should see. Showore, if you have my number, call me. All the people that he has indicted, if you have time, you can contact. If you don't have time, ignore Amigo. We already know Amigo. So there's no point of you coming online to contact Amigo. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Stay blessed. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.